So hey guys, welcome to Algorithm. Today I want to show you something small. I want to show you a POC of XSS F1 reflected XSS, probably on a certain site here. So site is a site um called La Pinnoz Pizza. Sorry, La Pinnoz Pizza. So La Pinnoz Pizza, an India's growing pizza place, started back in 2011. We'll just get into the site. I told you that this is going to be a short video, so here we are. Ensure you like the video, subscribe to me if you haven't subscribed yet, and let's see how this goes. So this is it. I don't think we have to sign in to anything. This is the site. So I just want to show you a small exercise on this. So here you can use your current location if you're in India, or you select a city, any of the cities, and you select an outlet where it will be picked. So for now, delivery is closed because for now in India it's like 2 a.m. not 2 a.m. maybe like 3 a.m. So let's try another one. Let's try this one. Okay, just choose this. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. That will not. So let's wait for it. Okay. So here, if you come in here, you're able to choose whatever size and the price and whatever you want. Pizza. You have a cart here. I think there's somewhere to log in, but I'm not sure. Can't see some, but it doesn't matter. So the XSS that I want to show you, it's on the search menu, and this search menu is just like very, you can just try any XSS on it, it will work. Let's try this script one. Yeah, lat 0, lat, lat 0, then script at the end, hash script. Look, it already gives me the pop-up. This means that the XSS is injectable on this site. Now, let's try another one. Let's try to find the cookie of this site, the document cookie. So we'll do this in here. Nope, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to write document dot cookie on. Yes, here we have the document cookie, as simple as that. Now, on a side note, on a very, on a very happy side note, I want to show you that also this is also This also has like HTML injection. So have, as you can see, it's giving us like a real-time response here. So if we type in here like test, this is what we get. Now if we just put here something like any tag, let's say the h1 tag, the h1 tag works. Let's say let's use an underline tag, also works. Let's use something like a hyperlink. Href equals to, let's say google.com. I don't know if this will try. Close tag. So if you look at the bottom here, if I hover on it, it says lapinospizza.in ordered google.com. If I press it, maybe I can, no, it didn't go, but here it is, google.com, order google.com. Okay, that works. And for fun, just for fun, just for fun, just for fun, I can do this. Just for fun, I can do like a, let's write this test. Let's write here test. Then I can do like a font color that equals to, and input any color. Let's start like red. And it changes here. Let's like even, let's do purple. It also changes. To see it well, let's do here, put in a h1 tag. Slash h1. I don't think that it will change the color because I have the head tags. I think it will change. Before I sign off, the last thing I can try is try to change font size. Let's start 4, 5. Right size. Here it's very little. Let's move it to like 4. 4. Let's do like 6. That's 6. Let's do like 8. I think it has a limit somewhere. Let's do like 10. It has a limit to how much it can go. I think the limit is like 7 equals 7. That's 7. 8. So 8 and 7 are almost alike. So probably it's like 7. Yeah. And you can even do like 0.2. And if you add another 0, it doesn't change. So that's all I had for you guys today. So please like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.